Alright, so today's video is gonna be the rematch between the J35 and the VQ. Last time I had some bald tires in the front and the traction control couldn't be disabled, but I fixed the issue and I rotated the tires, so we actually have decent tire, at least decent tire life in the front, and the traction control is disabled. That's gonna be about the only changes for this run. John actually doesn't have a passenger, but I think I'm gonna do a run where I'm in the Accord, or I'm gonna film when I'm in the Accord and then film when I'm in the Z, so we can get both point of views and see if it changes anything. But we're gonna do the same thing as last time. It's gonna be a dig, a 20, 40, and so basically two of those, and then we'll just see how much the traction control and tires make a difference. But let's get into it. So just some predictions before we do the runs. I do believe the runs will be basically even now that the traction control is disabled, and there's actually tires that have some life in the front, but let's just see how it goes. 20 roll, let's see how much of a difference the traction makes, and a passenger in our car. So in that run, apparently he didn't turn off traction control, so let's rerun the 20. Traction control off. Oh, fucking hell, man. Oh, yeah. Okay. What do you see? I don't know. Go back to first. Dude, we're running the cars the same and the NSX is in the video again, boy. What the heck? That's crazy. Alright, so we're gonna do the 40 roll, but after this, we're gonna switch. I'm gonna switch into the Z so that we can see if the passenger matters. It should though, because I'm like 180 pounds, so. I'm in the Z now, so we're gonna see if the passenger made a difference. It definitely felt closer before, but we'll see. All right, so let's try this again. This time Byron's gonna honk. Yeah. 40 roll, Byron honks again. But from that last run, we could see that passengers do matter, because it was basically dead even. Oh my god, we are lit. So with the traction control off and the tires being rotated, honestly the tires spin second, so it doesn't grip much, or it doesn't grip as good as it could if it had better tires. But from the runs, it's clear that having a passenger does make a difference, because when I was in the Z, the races were dead even, and we could definitely see that the weight played a difference. We're gonna try to get some digs, so let's see how this goes. We were spinning so bad there, man. So the tires are trash. Run another one?
What are we doing?
Another one. Right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
On 3?
There's no way. Yeah.
You hear? I was like,
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna do one last dig. The cord is at a disadvantage because it has me in the passenger and it's a front wheel versus a rear wheel, but let's see if we can do something here. My God, it's Calvin.
We're trying traction control on.
You see, so, you know, besides the digs, these cars are basically even. The tires were definitely giving us a problem because it wouldn't hook at all in second, but overall I think the 350 and the Accord are basically even, and got to get some mods and rerun it again. But hopefully you guys like the video. I'll see you on the next upload.